Hello everyone, so Soul Splash is back with another mindful art activity in which we'll be using the natural leaf. This activity is for all the age groups and I would like to invite all of you to have a small walk in your balcony or in the park nearby. Pick a few leaves of your interest and come back to your art table. So let's get started. I trust you enjoy doing this activity. You can play in different manners. This is just one of the ways, and I'll post another video which will have different kind of techniques which can be utilized. You can invent your own and I'll be happy to see them. Another request, in case if you've not subscribed our channel, please do that so that you can get our regular updates. Thank you so much.